Hi, I'm Reginato. I'm a nutrition-based chef, and today I'm going to show you how to make my cherry date bars with dark chocolate on top. So this is one of my favorite bar recipes because it only requires a few handful ingredients, and most of them you're going to have in your cupboard anyways. You just whip it together, add a little bit of chocolate. You can take them to work for a little bit of a snack, or you can have it for dessert. So the reason why we're using MEDJOOL dates is because they really give that sweet taste, and when you pair that with the almond butter, it just blends really beautifully, becomes creamy, and gives off this caramel rich flavor. It's absolutely delicious. So my cooking style is pretty simple, but I do like to add some pops of flavor and things that maybe are a little bit unexpected. So for the date bars, I love just tossing in tart cherries, which no one uses that often, so it's fun. Just think a little bit outside of the box, but always have it be accessible enough that everyone can cook it. Also, if you don't have dried cherries, go ahead and use whatever dried fruit you have or whichever one you love the best. Dried blueberries, cranberries, really anything. And you can stop right here and take this and form it into little energy balls and pop that in the freezer too. So I love using the double boiler method because it will never burn the chocolate. What it does is that it actually slows down the melting process and it becomes this really silky chocolate sauce, and that's exactly what we want. For the final step, we're gonna take the flaky sea salt and sprinkle it on top. And I love using flaky sea salt because the crystals are bigger and it actually enhances the flavor of the chocolate, and it's just so beautiful. Look how good they are, you guys. So we just took them out of the freezer. They were sitting in there for about 20 minutes. Look how beautiful they are. The layer of the caramel with a little bit of the tart cherry, dark chocolate on top. I can't wait to have this for breakfast tomorrow morning, but I gotta try it right now. Oh my God, that's too good. This is way too good.